Hello student, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Dangi. Welcome to all of you in another video lecture session for BBSM 5 subject direct taxes. In last video lecture session, we completed question number 9 of profession, a profit or gain of business or profession. So here we are going to start last practical question of this chapter, question number 10. As you seen on your screen, there is question number 31 for as per your latest book, but it is question number 10 for our video lecture session. Question is, from the following information of Dr. Nihar Puri, compute taxable income under the head income from business and profession for the assessment year 2020-21. Receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020. ડોક્ટર નિહાર પુરીની આપણને નીચે રિસીપ પેમેન્ટ એકાઉન્ટ આપેલું છે. એના ઉપરથી આકારણી વર્ષ 2020-21 માટે એમના ધંધા વ્યવસાયની શીર્ષકના હેઠળની આવક કરપાત્ર આવક નક્કી કરવાની છે. Receipt payment account, it is one type of cash account. So here debit side receipt means cash comes in and credit side payment means cash goes out. Additional information number 1 માં છે મોબાઈલ બિલ ઇન્ક્લુડ ₹3000 for personal use. તો મોબાઈલ બિલની સામે નંબર 1 આપીશું. સેકન્ડ છે ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક ઓફ મેડિસિન વોઝ ₹30,000 and closing stock was 45. So purchase of medicine માં નંબર 2 આપીશું. નંબર 3 માં છે મોટર કાર ઇઝ ઇક્વલી યુઝડ ફોર પર્સનલ એન્ડ પ્રોફેશનલ પર્પસ. તો મોટર કાર એક્સપેન્સ આપેલો છે એમાં 3 નંબર આપીશું. નંબર 4 છે the opening written down value of surgical equipment was ₹1,50,000. Depreciation is allowed at 40% per annum. તો રિસિપ્ટ સાઈડ આપણને સેલ ઓફ સર્જિકલ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ છે, ત્યાં 4 નંબર આપીશું. સેમ વે પેમેન્ટ સાઈડ આપણને પરચેસ ઓફ સર્જિકલ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ આપેલું છે, ત્યાં 5 નંબર આપીશું. સોરી, ત્યાં પણ 4 નંબર જ આપીશું. નંબર 5 માં છે મ્યુનિસિપલ ટેક્સ ઇન્ક્લુડ્સ ₹20,000 ફોર રેસિડેન્શિયલ હાઉસ. તો મ્યુનિસિપલ ટેક્સ પેમેન્ટ સાઈડ આપેલું છે, તેમાં 5 નંબર આપીશું. અને લાસ્ટ વન છે એર કન્ડિશન પ્લાન્ટ ફોર હોસ્પિટલ જે છે ઇઝ સબ્જેક્ટ ટુ 40% ડેપ્રી. તો એર કન્ડિશન પ્લાન્ટમાં આપણે 6 નંબર આપીશું. હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ. ઓકે, નાઉ વી હેવ ટુ ચેક આન્સર ઓફ ધ સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન. સો હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ. Yes. Very first, we have to draw a statement showing taxable income from business or profession of Dr. Nihar Puri. One side previous year 2019-20, the other side assessment year 2020-21. Now we start from, as per rules, it is a professional person's income. So we have to start with professional incomes, means allowed income under the head of business profession. Okay. So first, from receipt side, first one, balance brought down. It is a opening cash balance which is not considered as an income. Then visit fee, obviously it is a professional income, so allowed. So આપણે record કરીશું as a visit fee. Here it is. Then consulting fees, also a professional income, so allowed. Then sale of medicine, obviously is a income of professional person. Operation charges also allowed because it is also under the head of profession, because Dr. Nihar is a doctor, so it is obviously his professional income. Then operation theater rent, also professional income, so allowed. Birthday gift, it is not allowed because it is his personal income. Sale of share, obviously not allowed because this income is under head of capital gain. Sale of land, also not allowed because it is income, same way, capital gain. Interest and dividend, obviously not allowed. Birthday gift, sale of share, sale of land, interest and dividend, they all are not allowed. So we have not record it in our statement. Then sale of surgical equipment, there is information number 4 about depreciation rate and opening balance, so temporary we skip it. And last one, gift from patient, it is allowed because here gift received from patient, so it is considered under the head of professional income. So this way we get total income of rupees 24,75,000. Now there is allowed expenses. Now from payment side, first one hospital rent, obviously it is expense of a professional person for doctor. So allowed. Staff salary also allowed. Mobile bill, in mobile bill there is as per information number 1 rupees 3,000 is for personal use, so remaining is allowed as a professional expense. Total mobile bill given in question rupees 18,000, but there is rupees 3,000 less because it was personal purpose. So rupees remaining 15,000 is allowed under the head of professional expenses. Then news and magazine, obviously allowed. Purchase of bike for son, not allowed because it is personal expense. Medical journal, obviously allowed because it's professional income. Motor car expense, total 60,000 apelo છે, but as per information number 3, there is equal use for personal and professional. So professional part is allowed, personal part is not allowed. There is equally use છે. So 60,000 divided by 2. So remaining 30,000 rupees is not allowed, and 30,000 for official use or for professional use is allowed expense. Municipal tax, as per information number 5, there is a rupees 20,000 for residential house taxes considered in under municipal tax. Total municipal tax given rupees 1,28,000. Out of it, 20,000 is for residential house tax, which is your personal expense. So it should not be allowed as a professional expense. So remaining 1,08,000 is allowed. Then traveling expense in bracket given personal. So obviously it is a personal expense, so not allowed. Then bio waste discard charges, obviously bio waste मतलब જે હોસ્પિટલમાં આપણે જોઈએ છે કે રૂ ને એની જે મેડિસિન્સ જે હોય છે કે એના પાટાપિંડી આપણે જે કહીએ છીએ એ બધું વેસ્ટ જે હોય છે નિકાલ, વપરાઈ ગયેલા ઇન્જેક્શન છે, વપરાઈ ગયેલી સોય છે, વપરાઈ ગયેલી બોટલ છે બધી, તો દેટ ઇઝ વન ટાઈપ ઓફ બાયો વેસ્ટ બધા. તો એના નિકાલનો જે ખર્ચ છે ઓબ્વિયસલી ઇટ ઇઝ અલાઉડ. Insurance premium life, it is personal expense, so not allowed. Then purchase medicine, in information number 2, there is opening stock and closing stock is given of medicine. So we have to calculate consumption of medicine. Here it is, there is a formula, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So here opening stock of medicine is rupees 30,000, purchase of medicine 2,40,000, less closing stock of medicine 45,000. So balance 2,25,000 is a consumption of medicine. Then purchase of surgical equipment, we temporarily skip it. Then air condition plant from 1st September 2019. Here information number 6 given, air condition on air conditioning plant 40% depreciation is allowed. Here this plant was purchased from 1st September. So 1st September to 31st March, there is 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, total 7-month duration. It means more than 180 days utilize plant during this previous year. So full rate of depreciation should be allowed for as a professional expense. Plant's value rupees 8,85,500 multiply 40% is equal to 3,54,200. Depreciation on air conditioned plant is allowed. Now we take a depreciation on surgical equipment. For that we have to calculate some work note. Here it is. First one, as per information number 4, there is a opening balance of equipment is given in number 4 rupees 1,50,000. Then we have to less of instrument as per from receipt side, second last matter rupees 30,000. Then we have balance rupees 1,20,000. Then we have to added purchase of surgical equipment as per from payment side last to third rupees 1,20,000. But there is a date of purchase given from 1st July 2019. So July 2019 to March 2020. There is an 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, total 9 months duration. It means almost more than 180 days. So there is full rate of depreciation is allowed on base for depreciation amount 2,40,000. So depre is 2,40,000 into 40% as per given in information number 4 is equal to 96,000. Depreciation is allowed as a professional expense. So here we record it, depreciation on surgical equipment from 96,000. So this way we get total expense allowed rupees 19,01,200, which will be less from total income. So this way we get taxable income from profession rupees 5,73,800. Okay. So this way here we complete our another practical question, practical chapter, profit or gain from business or profession. ટોટલ 10 ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે સોલ્વ કરેલા છે આ ચેપ્ટરમાં, જેમાં ફર્સ્ટ 5 ક્વેશ્ચન છે બિઝનેસમેનને રિલેટેડ ક્વેશ્ચન છે. રિમેનિંગ લાસ્ટ 5 ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ પ્રોફેશનલ પર્સનને રિલેટેડ છે. એક્ઝામમાં તમને કદાચ બંને ઓરમાં પૂછી શકે અથવા પર્ટિક્યુલર એક ક્વેશ્ચન બી આપી શકે છે. સો બોથ મેથડ્સ આર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ફોર યુ ફોર એક્ઝામ રિલેશન. બટ જો તમને બંને ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછેલા હોય તો એઝ પર સજેશન માય લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર સજેશન, પ્રોફેશનલ પર્સનનો જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ તમારા માટે બેટર રહેશે, બિકોઝ એમાં સીધું આપણે કન્સિડર કરવાનું છે ઇટ ઇઝ બિઝનેસ એક્સપેન્સ ઓર અ પ્રોફેશન એક્સપેન્સ, ઇટ ઇઝ બિઝનેસ ઇન્કમ ઓર અ પ્રોફેશનલ ઇન્કમ. તો તમે સીધું થિંકિંગમાં થોડુંક ઇઝીલી થઈ જશે. બિઝનેસમેનમાં આપણે રિવર્સ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન છે કે જેમાં નોન બિઝનેસ ઇન્કમ અને નોન બિઝનેસ એક્સપેન્સને કન્સિડર કરવાના છે. તો મે બી ક્યાંક તમને ક્યાંક ટ્વિસ્ટ આવી શકે અથવા થોડુંક કન્ફ્યુઝન મેન્ટલી થઈ શકે છે. ચોઇસ ઇઝ યોર. ઓકે, ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ. Here I complete another question. Sorry, here I complete another chapter, profit or gain from business or profession.